Hi beauties, it's Naturally Me, and I'm coming at you with an unboxing of my curl kit I just got. Let's see what they sent us this month. As always, it comes packaged with a catalog, and it tells you about the products in this package. It also came with a coupon. Blue Magic. You get 75% off any Blue Magic product that you purchase. As always, it's nicely packaged. For this month, we have some samples and full-size products. First, we have the Oregon Earl from Morocco in a sample pack. Hope you can see that. Then we have Egyptian Magic All-Purpose Skin Cream. 2 package. It is made from the finest all-natural ingredients and may be used as a moisturizer on face, hands, and body. And I love stuff that is all natural. We also have the Novex Brazilian Keratin. It's an extra deep hair care cream. It's hair food for all types of hair with vitamin E. It's very creamy. I like to smell things. It smells pretty good. I hope you can see that. Then we have what they gave us the coupon for is some Blue Magic Coconut Oil Hair Conditioner. I'm not really keen on grease, so if this is like grease, I probably won't use it. But I'm going to try it because I like oils. Next is a small organic Greek yogurt shampoo bar. And it smells nice. I hope you can see that. It is, you're supposed to soak your hair in lukewarm water. It's crafted with organic oils of shea butter, coconut olive, hemp seed, and soybean, lye, water, Greek yogurt, and essential oils and fragrance. It's hair, body, 1 year shelf life sample. And then they included some vitamins, hair vitamins. I guess it's to help you grow your hair faster, stronger, thicker, and healthier, which they say begins inside. They gave a few samples. Our first full product is Lotta Body with coconut and shea oils. It's curl and style milk. It defines, tames, and adds moisture and brilliant shine to curls. I hope you can see that. The next full-size product is Your Curly Soya Shampoo. It's free of alcohol, sulfates, dyes, and parabens. I like things that do not include those ingredients. It's a very big size. I want to know how it smells. It smells good. It smells good. So that is what I received for July in my curl kit, and I'm loving this curl kit. I love that they send samples and they send full-size products. So I'm going to continue doing this, and I'll bring to you what they bring to me each month. Thank you. Bye, beauties.